Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Doggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Venture Surplus. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Included a sticker, Venture Surplus. Let's put that over here. So this is a USMC hydration. Look on the back here. Hydration pouch, number set, Eagle Industries, and even a QR code. So we'll set that there. Next up is Camelbak Hydrolink conversion kit, new. You can see there. Valve attachments and some directions on the back. So replace your bite valve with a mask adapter for NBC training instructions as well. So you can see what it adds: a hydrolock shutoff and hydrolink modularity. A USGI M249 ammo box carrying sling used. I believe this would be this. You see it's kind of a sack, some retention cords, a flap that is sewn on 3 directions and then would overlap like that, and the actual sling strap, non-adjustable. This probably goes right over the shoulder across the chest. And one marking there, 10/03, possibly October 2003, or vice versa. There's the second page here on the manifest. This would be the USGI M249 SAW ammo box, 200 round, used. You can see markings here. Okay, got that. What else do we got here? This will be Eagle Industries MBAV, MBAV / MSAP Cummerbund Assembly Khaki, new. Okay, you can see these go in about to here. That shows you how much length is in those. And your fronts and backs, depending on which side you want to use. And somehow I got that stuck into here. Okay, so no labeling. I can readily see, unless I'm missing something here, possibly on the straps. Nope. Okay, so Eagle Industries Cummerbund assembly. Last but not least, we got a CBRN. Let me also read it off the manifest here. You can compare against the label. USGI Camelbak CBRN hydration carrier, new. You see all the codes there, packaged in 6/16. So if we do go by month and date, an order would be June of 2016, and inspection on June of 2021, 5 years later. So what we got? All right. Ooh, interesting aroma. Okay, Camelbak. Yep, everything new. Hose, good condition. And it's ready for a valve, which is what that's going to be, or this one here that came with as well. So you can see a comparison here. on what can be then attached interchangeably. It has the instructions as well. So, working our way backwards, CBRN hydration system. We got the bag with the hose. This thing is just getting in the way. Wow. With the valves. And then somewhere along the way we had the Cummerbund assembly. Here's the starter tab. I knew there was something. All right. And then coming backwards through here, we had the M249 saw box with the starter tab. You see here it has an embedded link. This was intended for the, I believe, FightLite Industries type of belt-fed assembly for their upper to assist with as a starter tab. So that's what this would be. And that was with that. Likewise, we had the soft M249 sling carrying ammo box carrying sling, which has been getting in the way here with this really long sling there. And we started off with also the Camelbak Hydrolink conversion kit and the USMC hydration pouch in Coyote brown. These all came from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out. They got a large variety of items. Venture Surplus. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage MSAP tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.